So today we're going to be learning how to make a dragonfly, just like this, yeah. So there's different sizes, there's little ones. I made a really long one. So what we need, I sometimes use this because it needs to be thick and it sometimes hurts my fingers. So this, if you don't have one, that's fine, just use your fingers, but it sometimes hurts. You need black loom bands. Then you would need a S-clip. Try to find one. There you go. So you need an S-clip, and then you just need any colour you want for the dragonfly's wings and any colour you want for the dragonfly's body. So I'm going to have these colours for the wings, and then for the dragonfly's body, I think I might have this colour maybe, with some of this colour, and I'll have some of this too. So yeah, okay, so what you need to do is grab this. I'm only going to make a little one so you can see me. So get 3 and then put them on your fingers or on this, twist it, and then, but that's 3, so then you need to get another 3 and put them on top without twisting it like that, and then carry on going just like this, and just repeat that step again, but remember to use 3 at a time. Yeah, so I'm just gonna carry on remembering to use 3. So you can make it as long as you want, but I'm gonna make it this long. So I have made it quite long, but as I say, you can make it as long as you want. I've made this one, it's really long. Yep. So I've only made a little one, otherwise it will take me quite a while. So what you want to do is grab this, grab your loom bands off of your thing, just like that. Then grab this, push up. You can do it on your fingers too. So you've got this, and you just fold it over like that. So then you want to grab your black one and put it through. So you've got this. Then you just want to grab it and you just want to do this. So fold it over, grab this side and pull. So you've got this. You can also get it and just chop it at the top so it's got 2 antennas, but I like keeping it like this. So put this to a side and it's time for your wings. So grab what colour you want in your S-clip. So basically you're going to make a bracelet, but if you made a really long one like this, then you might just want to make like a necklace so it's a bit longer, but this one's just normal bracelet in its wings. So if it's really small, just make a ring, but medium, make a bracelet, and if you need to, you can make one extra long. So just gonna carry on like this. So twist first one, put it on, carry on. So just carry on with that step repeatedly. So I'm gonna do it. I don't know how long I will do it, but yeah. So I've made it this long, so take it off your fingers like this. You've done this before. So just do that, and then you want to get your S-clip and hook it on like that, but straight away we're going to go to the other side, and we're just going to do the same. So get both sides, do this, and do that step again. So then you have your bracelet just like this, or a ring, I don't know. You want to get your dragonfly's body, and quite near the black antenna, you just want to get a bit of its body, just want to stretch it out like that. So yeah, then you want to get your bracelet and thread it through. So then you've got your dragonfly. You can do the wings a bit longer if you want, but there's your dragonfly. I hope you enjoyed.